Hello guys, welcome to our math lesson, and we continue trigonometric formulas, and today's topic is product to sum formulas of sine and cosine functions. You will be able to derive and apply product formulas to sum and the different formulas for sine functions, for cosine functions, and for composite functions. Let's review our sum and different formulas for sine and cosine functions. And we will use these formulas for today's lesson. Okay, to obtain a formula for sine alpha multiplying by sine beta, we need to derive from the sum and different formulas of cosine function. And if we subtract these two formulas, we will have here this one. Cosine alpha and multiplying by cosine beta are simplified. And now what we will do, we divide both sides by -2, and then we will get here this one, and -2 and -2 are simplified, and then this is our new formula. Okay, write this please on your notebooks. Okay, let's look to example number 1. Evaluate the expression sine 75 degree multiplied by sine 15 degree. Solution: if we use our new formula, we will get here this one, -1/2 multiplying by, here we just add the two angles, and here we subtract two angles, and then cosine 90 degree minus cosine 60 degree will be here, and we know the meaning of these two terms, and then -1/2 multiplied by cosine 90 is 0, and cosine 60 is 1/2, and then we will have here 1/4. I think it's clear for you. Next, to obtain a formula for cosine alpha multiplied by cosine beta, we need to derive from the sum and different formulas of cosine function. And then we just add these two formulas. Sine alpha, sine beta are simplified. And then we will get here this one. After that, we divide both sides by 2. And the 2 are cancelled here. Then this is our new formula. Okay, write this on your notebook. Let's look for example number 2. We use the new formula for cosine 105 degree multiplied by cosine 15 degree, and we will get here this one. Okay, and we here add and get 120 degree, here subtract and we get 90 degree. Here look at this cosine 120 degree, and we can get this by this this expression, 90 degree plus 30 degree. By reduction formulas, this will be minus sine alpha, and then 1/2 multiplied by minus sine 30 degree, and here will be -1/4. Okay, the third one, to obtain a formula for sine alpha multiplied by cosine beta, we need to derive from the sum and different formulas of sine functions. Okay, look here, and if we add these formulas, these two formulas, we get here this one. Okay, these two terms are simplified, and then we divide both sides by 2, and 2's are simplified. Then this is our new formula. Okay, write this formula on your notebook too. Example number 3. Evaluate the expression sine 3 pi over 8 multiplied by cosine pi over 8. Okay, we use our formula, and we will get here this one. Okay, if we add these two terms, here will be 4 pi over 8, and then we subtract 2 pi over 8, and the 4 and 8 will be simplified, and 2 and 8 also will be simplified, and then we will get here this one. Sine pi over 2 will be 1, and sine pi over 4 will be under the root 2 over 2. And then if we multiply this by 1 over 2, we will get here this one. Example number 4 proves the identity. This identity we must prove. Okay. In this type of examples, exercises, we work with one side, left or right side. Okay, look to the left side. We can use here our new formulas, okay? Sine 2x multiplied by cosine 3x. And if we use step 1, we will get here this. We use our new formula, okay? And then 2x plus 3x will be 5x, and 2x minus 3x will be minus 6, yes? And then here sine minus x will be minus sine x by reduction formulas here. And then look, second step, we use our new formula for this term. And then we'll get here this expression. And then 4x plus 9x will be 13x. And 4x minus 9x will be minus 5x. Here also, by using reduction formulas, sine minus 5x will be minus sine 5x. And then, next, third step. Here we just add the first two steps, first and second. And then, if we take out of the bracket 1 over 2, here, sine 5x are simplified, yeah? And then we will get sine 13x minus sine x multiplied by 1 over 2. Okay, next we must recall, yeah? This formula we passed on the previous lesson, and if we use this formula to this one, here, fourth step, we will get here this, yeah? And the 2's are here simplified. Okay, 2's are simplified here, yeah? And then 13x plus x will be 14x. 13x minus x will be 12x. And 14 and 2 simplified, here will be 7x. Here also will be 6x, yes? And then cosine 7x multiplied by sine 6x is equal to sine 6x multiplied by cosine 7x. We take from this part, from the left side, cosine 7x multiplied by sine 6x, and on the right side here was sine 5x multiplied by cosine 7x. And these two terms are equal to each other. We proved. In conclusion, today we passed 3 new formulas, and write these formulas to your notebooks and learn them, okay? You will use these formulas for solving questions, exercises. Here, for additional information, you can visit these websites. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Goodbye.